core system library is failing because of the on-demand connection Routehelper DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for on-demand connection Routehelper, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the On-Demand Connection Routehelper. The On-Demand Connection Routehelper, it manages the unmanaged orchestration of VPN auto connections based on localized network traffic triggers. It facilitates the automatic routing of corporate traffic through secure tunnels. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Ondemandconnroutehelper is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the on-demand connection Routehelper component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type nidtsh space int space ip space reset, then hit enter. Second, type nitsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like On-Demand Connection Routehelper DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing on-demand connection Routehelper references. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching on-demand connection Routehelper today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.